Welcome back to Tech Talk. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about gaming laptops of 2025, the Alienware Aurora 16. With a sleek design, next-gen hardware, and Alienware's iconic build quality, is this the gaming beast you've been waiting for? Let's find out. The Alienware Aurora 16 features a bold yet refined design. At just 5.5 pounds, it's surprisingly portable for a gaming machine. You get a 16-inch QHD Plus display with rich colors and sharp details. The base model offers a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, while the premium Aurora 16X steps it up with 240 Hz and NVIDIA G-Sync for ultra-fluid gaming. It's perfect for competitive players and content creators alike. Under the hood, Alienware packs serious power. The Aurora 16 comes with Intel's Core i7 and i9 processors from the latest Series 2 lineup, paired with NVIDIA RTX 4050 up to the powerful RTX 5070 GPUs. Whether you're playing AAA games, streaming, or editing videos, this machine handles it all. Alienware's advanced Cryo-Tech cooling system keeps the laptop cool, and the new stealth mode reduces fan noise when you're on the go. And when it comes to battery life, the Aurora 16 gives you up to 6 hours of mixed use on the larger 96 watt-hour battery found in premium configurations. The base model comes with a 60 watt-hour battery, which lasts around 3 to 4 hours for everyday tasks. So while it's not an all-day device, it's enough for gaming on the move or short work sessions away from a charger. Memory and storage are future-proof too, with up to 64GB DDR5 RAM and lightning-fast SSD options. Load times are nearly instant. The keyboard is responsive and comes with customizable RGB on the 16X model, while the base Aurora 16 sticks with subtle white backlighting. You also get all the essential ports, including USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and even Thunderbolt 4 on premium configs. So, who should buy the Alienware Aurora 16? If you're a gamer looking for high performance in a portable form, or a creator needing a powerful workstation, this laptop delivers. The base model offers great value, while the Aurora 16X is ideal for those wanting the absolute best display and performance. What do you think about the new Aurora 16? Is this your next gaming machine, or are you waiting for something else? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Tech Talk reviews and comparisons.